Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Benki ya mwanchi umurigerero Ndizi TV nabwo Ubwansu Gusii to kwarigani bene ime EMANYIE JUMATATO.
Hasentunda ende mwanchi umurigereria nande twongere kubatokomera na asembe kirenga ekenene EMANYIE JUMATATO no kweneke abuna twongere kubatokomanya senchiro bwikirano yanyari kubagwata kakorwa kete kwikira chenga kibunechi.
Stariki na 29 cyo mutinyo mutangani omwaka no iwechi 2024 na manke abere kago korekana ime yense ya Kenya anene kerotoroche buna ebyichisemo nigo kigenderete weso kana gukwanira igoro yobwagachi bw'ekinyumba aseri goririsi kigima uyoro murobere bwe serikali ya Kenya kwanza anene bwo kweneke buna abasayi babere bagokonyeka
nabo igo etaro yeli tukolia kabereria ye omuraibwense William Ruto imeyense ya Italy chingaki abali kigose abali kibaitwa mangana maya bagenda ko bakwe gusora shingongo ahaseke kwenekia unabanyera ko bako yaleta na ko yasangiria selibo elimo
inyoro wega misne tukoba igori abali omogoko asene nase abarali begeta sinika Ndizi TV
yes
asoko monyora manager umuya
kati yali toko waliganirete boigo EVERLYNE nyoranga EMANYIE JUMATATO sentunde ntangani kabisa so mwaka 2024
ngote yoro mwanchi umurigereria sekonyore kore ndase chinga kichi mwanchi umurigeto kwarigania centre ya bene iro to kumaje buna nara ya kubatana nabasaki baito tobeto usangereria aseri tkorigima na gukwarigania asenchera erejo bwikiranu asensemo ya Facebook na bakugandira gotonyara wetera Ndizi TV News Digital
nabo igo inyora asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News ugwetera se website yetu ya www.ndizitv.net Joshua AUTA na to kubatana na gwetera se muno bimanyirira iterane kwa JOSEPHAT AMISI
ne EVERLYNE OSERO Petra ni Mokeira ne rokaina kiachipi chanelio gichawe kera centre bene to kwarigani obe kogosanga na intwe goika omwerio
amaya sagose EMANYIE JUMATATO ensayemo yabono mogorobo mwanchu mo rigereria bono magiga ya omo teneneri o renge gose manager ya egetaseni Ndizi TV gwaka okoaeli bono aso mutenyi oyomo nigo oboteneneri begetaseni ekyo bwanyare ko bokoringo ria na akorigia noroyora nyare ko bakwene kiabuno nyare ko bagwisaransa sekerogo ekyo kyo manager aseritkoria rero yaba omochengo omonene magiga yomo manager homo yanyara ko bagwasuri wabene ase umborobere bokwene kibuno nyare ko bagutenera Ndizi TV
Walter Biginki nere omoteneri omonene usomo manager omonene begetaseni kya Ndizi TV asabaga kwariganiwa bene ritkoria rero nabarari ko segetaseni kiga abubari ira yogo cyako bwatrana nere nabo igo bosirana asoko ine kiabuna emirobere mekirano yaberege gwikirayo mwanchi umurigereri nabo igo obokoreri bwa Ndizi TV bwabere bogokina ase ebirongo binde ananaso mwako yega 2024 amo ne myakende ekobwati ase chinga kecho bingina na abaga koria eira yogo chia kweru asobokoreri bwaye na kwenekia onsi yaberega gwikirana aso kubwatirana
Moriki oito job mangi na nyara ko baga kwarigania oroboti oru na gusanga muna intwe
nigo yaba omochengo omonene ekero abakori emerimo bege station kya Ndizi TV baba bakwarigania manager omoya Walter Bigingi uyora chikoira libagalio kabeire manager omokoro John Kebati
sama tuko Mokeira maega tuanyara wako kweli guchia sumu manager Ndizi TV ono tokoro ka former John Kebati na leroiga nigo tureno mogoko sana tuamwariganirie omu manager omuya
ase egeka bono tabere tokora emero tutubati mu manager kolende na yaringa challenge
ani gakorekana chinga kicho musangerekano bo mweri bumotyenyi o January omusangerekano oikeranwa na ba director ba Ndizi TV wetera ase omutandao nabo igo abakoli emerimo ba Ndizi TV abo baikirana ase ABC ekyo ensemo y'abakori emirimo ba Ndizi TV abo bari abararia nabo igo abo bakoreta ebipindi ao mbateba nigo bari n'omogoko omonene ase okomwariga nagoteba mbachikwerwa kumubwatesia.
Kwetu ni furaha kama familia ya Ndizi TV kumpata maneja mgeni na tunamkaribisha Bwana Walter, karibu kwa Ndizi TV. Tuna look forward kwa wetu kushirikiana ili tuendekeze kazi na tunashukuru pia Mungu kwa kupata maneja mgeni.
So we believe new beginning with new ideas. Mchakano bo mwaka na bo igotwa na manager muya tenga omwaka oyo. Aria asoyo minto kebati konyora aikire Ndizi TV no minto Walter ndo chino musacha omokebwe chinguru nere kubwatira legaiga na gochimotwe Ndizi TV ngochire komesa kolengana muna okugania kwa inokole muna baligireria ba Ndizi TV
ende twaje kubashwa audience itonga ndochikogendera kuba tuteneine na kuba obwansi bwo mugusii na tolenga Ndizi TV na obwansi bwo mugusii with the new manager okoleta aspect and experience yekenge as a managerial position ndochikobashwa nga ndochikogendera okora emirimo bya abo yokobayenekeria emirimo yeniya
ensemo yaye omumanager omoya Walter Bigingi naira neliambia mono as okwariganirwa anyora
igaso bwenge na washukuru wafanyikazi wenzangu wote aso kongarigani kwa bene na igure liberalia yo kwarigani kwabo
ase arua eira gochikobwaterana n'abakori emirimo ba Ndizi TV kuyekinia goikira ekerengo kende
ready work tutakuwa kazi yetu sisi wote tobwaterane tusuki Ndizi TV gocha sebirengo vidia the audience also the consumers agumara bagirira baito mutagete moyero rasere na going forward tutashirikiana kwa kila jambo ambalo tutakuwa tukifanya so that tobeke Ndizi TV even na mbeye mu secondary kwa na mbeye mu konyere chechetai
magayo kumwarigania omumanager omoya nigo bono Ndizi TV irachikobeka emeroberio emeikiranu elinda koeneke nkogendera kolbare koba namba eyemo ase station chonsi chike Gusii chechi TV korwa samagacho a New Brighton apartment agotoka ime embassy account ya Kisii ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Miamo na umurikio ito Job Maangi ase oroboti ururikirano AMISI inge watora kwa negoro yengane
Tuwagokere anene tuamuganyira sekero igetambe nganyage kwa bagwikirana bono ase chiabisi amagacho amanena Ndizi TV na intwebuna ababwata n'abakora emirimo nama yatumuganirete na kuri iranga tunyare ko batuko musira se emirobere yaye yakirarito
igo nanto chikoru chinga kinyororo asumu manager omoya asokene kebuna obokoreri bwegetaseni ya Ndizi TV bwabere bogo kina ase birengo binde nabo igo kogendera kwirire getaseni kega gotigara egetaseni nambe ya mose orogongo ruwagusi mwanchi umurire togos kabosioni go mugaka Christopher Unundu abetega kunganya kurwase enga yaye myaka 3 yaitire na gotiga amate yaye umongina mona bana bagenderete wetera amakongu ya chingecho ao
ngago kwana amo na Ndizi TV nigo bono omwana enyaruka yaye unyareko bagotigara iskwase myaka 3 yanyareko bagigweta nyareko bagwesokia na koerera amakongu banyareko bagwetera gati yabo okweneke buno nyareko bagotiga kwegendereria monechi semichiaye kubwatekana no ekerengo kyo gutaka ekeneke nyareko bekorakana singa yabo
na nigo baruroko boria gochase abasamaria bayawesokia na kumusira omoro kiwoyo amana bande bagendere ne skuru yabo asekeria yarokane na omunyaroke yo nere ore eriso ase amate
dipo nasanya na nyareko bagwikirana ase kenyorekyo na gusanga muna into roboti rokobwatia
venye niko hivi mimi niko na wazazi wawili, mmoja ni mwenye alikuwa hapa, mwingine hayuko karibu.
Ekenekerero kyobokonyi korwa somoroki wa Imelda Nyamoita oyo koleta matemo ya manene yekirasi kya 5 na 3 kulinde maega yaye tachigoikirania eganga yaye ya masomo.
Vile nilifanya mtihani wa class 8 si kukuja kuendelea na masomo juu school fees ndio ilikuwa ngumu kupata, hata chakula tulikuwa tunapata kwa shida. Zingine unaweza enda shule ukosa hata kukula, unafika shule. Zingine mafurugano ya nyumba, kuna mafurugano inakuanga kwa nyumba. Hata hivyo pia uwezi enda, ukifika shule walimu wanakufukuza. ukirudi hakuna mwenye anaweza kupatia pesa uweze kurudi shule.
Gusangana mamu mwabo asilieta Irene Kemunto niga koerera esabariyo makoye asilita Christopher Nundu oyu asogete asenchera yo kubarigeria emyaka 3 yaerire kurinde tana koirana
mwako mtorende tata byara chitagasira kerasira bona tumenyeta mwako na gateba ngatiga genda chikuri guturigeria akagenda igo tanya gucha kurweyo bona ni fact ya baminto yonde gitobo konyi nimbwate muchando mwana na ari sikwa abana bakanimbwate onkwenda konda nariya ntarigetia abana bana bakurana no ninjara mwako na sachite timanyeti gatete ngana sokire ninjengije gana ndandiye njera mukoni oli ndage agasoka
ese monaywe niga koerera okorera abana batano nomo inse iyo buremeru obonene
no na sitometega mwatata byare twagachite ngaminto rakibona umusumito tabwate nyomba agasira tukamubeko ni fact no tomete twasinyiru no kwagacha timbuga tinchera ndanyare kwagacha abana mbabwati kende bakora abali sikubusa nande no bamete chikuni yega nanu murangu onsinyete kubeka no ni chikuni nani trisa chikuni roche na bantubwati nchera
watekana noko baliso asenka umworoki wa email Nyamoita nigo eamate yaye ebegitoko semeria asale bono ni galireira yogo chikokoromokia ekerara nyoro muntu uramubwate okoboko
naidi ya kwamba nikipata yule ambaye ataweza kunisaidia nitatia bidii shuleni akuwa mtoto mzuri niweze kupata kila ambacho nitaweza pata katika masomo yangu ili niweze kutimiza wazo langu ambayo niko na hivyo naidi niweze kunisaidia ili niweze kutoka hapa nje kuna mashanga mingi ambayo tunapitia hata hivyo majaribu ni mingi hapa nje naomba muweze kunisaidia
giko ripoteria Ndizi TV korwa asekenyoru Kenya mataro kigotoka imeje bunge ya Kitutu Chache South elitaria Nendipon asanya
Miamono omurike ito dipona asanya se oroboti ororokera n'umukwegena na abasamaria bayamba beba konyorekana gose we sokya iri kumusira umunyaruko yo abega kogenderia amasomaye ase school ya secondary na boigo ase kerengo kerebusyo togotikana nayo nigo okuboria kwa berego kurwe obochiase abagambi na boigo abaibori kwenekia abuna kubwatirana balene serikali asokorwania amariogo yo gutindia ayo arokanire kabusaria ekegori kya basaya bake
Kaukwana na Ndizi TV o moteneri wekanisi ya PAG ya Nyangori eyegotoka ime constituency ya Kitutu Masabati motikinyani boigo niganyare ko bakuboria abaibori baire getambukero kweneke bana banyare ko bakwena na chisemi ochia ase abana babo bunenchira yo kubasira ananase obugima bogocha
nigo boigo abaire gakugikeria chisegi chegengana kugania okubwatirana kweneke wa erio koreta omurembe na boigo obotoero muri kirikoro ase county ya Nyamira Polkapokara na Make
Gokona na Ndizi TV murandi yo asereta Timothy Kayani wikanisa Nyangori PH iyo gotokeme yabo Kitutu bomasaba igagenda ko bagakubasegeta basaya gukinigwa ase chingege kero chingia indukira bakonya samatuko ankyo murandi yo niga ichanire nchira basabange bagendera ko bakubetanya munamo lyogo yo gotindia chimbo chimbe egentaganira barayi anene bali bechikanisa bagambya munabo bali kubwatrana elyo gukora chimbo chinabo gasase getere abana kwegwa chisemi.
Our children, our youth have indulged in drugs, bang, and even most of them, especially in the area that I'm ministering, don't even go to school. And that is a very major thing that the government is supposed to look into, and the administration of the area should go into every homestead and make sure that our children go to school so that they can broaden and diverse their minds in so many areas of this life. Youths are a great, they are actually a great investment the government and the families are putting. We are given children by God to bless our children and the children to be a blessing to us.
Orandi uyu boigo igo aganiria abasae kwibwatania mune chimbo chiri chingia elio gukina buyase boigo aburira abebori gotabana ingora abasae babo igendo gikwirira abasabo kwirana na kwibwatania muna marioga yo gotindia.
Youth have been left completely and they are standing on their own, and we need to come in as a family, bring together the youth, talk to these youth, show them the right way. We don't only have to quarrel them, but we have to teach the youth on the right manner of the life today.
Nigo boiga ichanire chisegi chegenga gento korengana monere kyagenda ko bagiguturwa chiamate chinyinge na kugendera gokigikiria na kubolia baraibande kubwatanira gukora chisegi echo chegenga.
Even in families we have gender-based violence in families because they were not taught, and those families that were not taught need to come back, and we call upon them. And I underline, we call upon them to come to the Lord and get to know what is supposed to be done.
No mailioye abona bo basemi bwayo murandi yugo chasega saku ekyo Gusii nensenkima.
Now I would give a solution to all this, and my solution is not withstanding. My solution is we must be right. We must listen to what God is saying. And when we listen to what God is saying, whoever is listening to this, whoever is seeing me, you will be right and God will give you.
Gingo ripoteri gitaseni kia wanjete kia Ndizi TV. Nchego nguru kwa Polycarp. Okara.
Karase oroboti ururikirano kurwase enseme yo togoska bosionigo magega yogo siekerwa aserumande wetania emetienye tano nomo abono nigensemo ekumuigerera Fred Nunda yekura wa nomo na chebina Clifombeta yaikirana sekigambiro ya Kisii asekerenga yoko gania Nunda kubwato kwa asogwa kana ekashbill
gaukwana nigo ombeta boigo anyareko baga komochie kigambiro kyomochiobo songa sikaria tebire nigo kyanyareko bage koira chinga chintambe como bwatoka omoteja hobo kubwatekana no gwakana e cash bill heyo asabatebire nigo bono barachiko bakwira egetambo kerekende kwene kiabuna unyareko bakubwatokwa
ombetani gabaga kuboria ekegambiro goitabirana no kusaba kwa basatebire buna obocheni bwo mubere bwaye Nunda nigo botari obu yakegima nyora muna Nunda niga begetobyara asama mocho yogo kagerwa kubwatrana asegekore kyobwiti.
Fred Nunda is in custody for a case that he has been charged with. A case of murder. He has been in custody for a very long time now. He had been denied bail on 2 occasions. But today we came to court to make an application so that he can be granted bond once again. All the other cases that had been indicated before that he had absconded or had not settled have all been settled. There is no other case existing right now in court. Such that the only case that is present is this one. He had been denied bail basically on the basis that he had other cases and he had absconded. Now that those cases do not exist, we are coming back to this court to request whether they can grant him bond. We are trying to say that the circumstances have changed. We are trying to say that his health is also not good. We are also trying to say that he has a constitutional right to bail. More so because we believe that the state, in this particular instance, is acting in bad faith. Why am I saying that? Ever since he had been in custody, ever since the first time he had been denied bail, the court has always insisted that we be given statements of witnesses. We have not been given statements, and the hearing starts next week on 6th. So what are they doing? Basically denying us a constitutional right to prepare in time. They are going to try and ambush us. That's why we are insisting that we get those statements by today. Some of us are too experienced to be denied with this kind of sharp practice or this kind of attitude and ambush. Some of us are too experienced for that. And even if you gave me a statement a minute before the hearing, I will still stand and do the case. So let them not think that that is what is going to help them. But in the meantime, as we wait for the court, since we cannot interfere and argue that application here, we want the police officers in the state to act in good faith now that the person is in custody. You can't keep on punishing somebody because you have some political inclination. This is totally a political thing.
if they are going to use politics as a particular line to injure somebody and frustrate somebody, then you know.
Okaboria ni gokwarurwe ase serikali gokora obotki boisaine na kurwania mangana yobukurumi obwo bokoenekiwa ase sector ya immigration ekikeirire ogoswa kwa bantu imensi ya Kenya kurwase chinse chesko akoirera amangana yobusaria koenekiwa ase kirengo kyaiguru
ukwana nigo omusasiroti Lawrence Nyanga boigo anyareko baga kugikiria ebikora bya bwangoiga ase abana bekegoriege kane na basae banyareko bakubwateranirwa amona kweli yogo tutukanu ase chinyomba chokwegokya
Father Nyanga nigo chinga kiecho aruro kuborego cha saba iburi kwenekia bunanko baikabare abana babange nabo igo kubaikiraniria amagani abo asenchire yemo yogo batanga kurwaso kwenyora ase michando awao
kera abantu bagocha sensi yetu ya Kenya abandi kwanyanga kera kene bobote makaratasi abwente ko barete to gusunywa ibagwetera bacha bamenyase bono twaburi burendi kitobwata sensi yetu ya Kenya onya abantu bago jamenya hoteli kwanyora kero bago kubwatu bakoko rubotuki bateba ngamba bwatora namakaratasi babone tukabere gono na se hoteli ekiga nonya abantu bakora ikibese tigo monto goswaime amanyunga nerengo obwata kirege amakaratasi ya korokianga oyo nyarebe ya ID ya enero na nebintu binde bibente kuvuga cyugari agarimo amanyanga monto kyo eni asenge cyobono nga kibese kirira abantu bobe obokurumi boy cyire ngomonto nago cyakurutere kibese yani torika norika singa ngoso etemega iga akogotente itimanyekane ndo mapagenda amenyete nyomba tamanyiri kojana kwa kibese indere ya retroboko kwanyaranga kumbu monto yo iga abantu barako nako chika baswa uriyo gendo letanera abasani baye batiye gutianira abana kera bakwanda cyisukuru ci university ci college abaye bantu bakotebinga abuga nago tumo gosoma gwo ise goko yuko naende no busani ukabwata nabantu bona kento bunekega nabere buya batebi abana babo asogokya abantu nabange baroje insema wa kera atoke kwanyoliro ndegabo naburanya no ya robiri cyo komonyolira abo bami tukoranje tumanya no mwana itu tobisa kende gyonse totete ngobona na kerokyo abayibori nabaruwo baise kwabe kabire ibako bone gusaba ko abana babe bitisha ngamba abasitwanda ba bono mwana we kali akore bintu byose bobise ayibona kaye kero goja kumanya mangana aya umwana ibona abakanda bamenye bintu mbiro bono nga sponsor ko yone chinyinge bamenye nabarabo ekiara na nyo tuko mwale suru kera ni bintu byose kero mwana ko bodi nga mwa kibesa korosire tu
Togos kabosio koligereria lia bereka okorekana isko yorogongo rwa Gusii nigo muraibense Dr. William Samuel Ruto agendereria taro ya yeri tukuria kabere ase ense mugusaso muchorom imeja Italy asomusangirekano oyorengete koreta okobwata na bene gati ya ense ya Italy na boigo chinse chia Afrika asenchire mo yo kwegenderia sense mo yo bonchoreria na boigo oburendi
gati ya barai boigo kurwa se chinse aho imeyorogongo rwa Afrika banyare ko bawikirana omorobeli yo nigo bago kere nako riago senako enekia bunambanyara ko baba ko bwaterana asenchera yobo ikerano asechinchera chobonchulia mega yabo igonigo omoraibense William Ruto akagera ko baga okora ege ikaro kyabene nabateneni korwa sense yo ya Italia sekerenga yo kwenekia buna uchumi ya Kenya yanyare ko bage kogendera gati yabo kurigemeremo gocha seka gol kyabasai imense ya Kenya
Nomukanyi bw'umuraibense Rigathi Gachagua nigabaga koigura bene egeikaro kyemerongo ebere nebere kya Intergovernmental Budget Economic Council IBEC asechinsemo chia Karen ime yomochi o Nairobi ekyo kyabaretamo abagavana kurwa chi county au eba obisa kurwa se ensemo ya treasury egati abarayibanda banke
nigo Rigathi Gachagua boigo nyara ko bagakorie ira ya bene buna serikali ene gwetera sike gancha ya serikali ngechikobe kwayererio ko bwatoka kweni bogo chia se chi serikali chi county asekerenga gyo kwena kia buna chenyera ko bachigo ikirania chira cha magendero boigo Gachagua nigo nyara ko bagako gokera umurubiri we chi county kwena kia unajenyera ko bachiko imokia kerengo gyo sangereria eni bokorwa soboteneri we county asanyera ko bakoboria abagavana banyera ko bagutumeka engeria eyo hase chinchira chire chibwenerete
Gachagua boigo nigabaga kuruko borego cha saba governor kwena kia bunangwa kanabale chibesa chire chitigarete gose pending bills na kwene kia unanigo serikali ya Kenya kwanza insiburaibu ya Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigebwerwe tekegima ase ogosira emerobero ya magendero ase county.
I wish to emphasize our commitment to the timely disbursement of funds to counties we are nearly up to the date for December 2023. Despite this, I strongly urge you to fast-track payments of pending bills. Indeed, we should not be having pending bills for the last financial year. Prompt payments for goods and services releases funds to our business people and spurs economic growth, especially the hustler nation, for a better and vibrant economy. Let money circulate. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we have noted that with the adoption of the TADAT system, revenue collection is rising. It is our expectation that the 27 counties that have not embraced the system will do so without delay. As we collaborate in addressing productivity in the entire economy, we must tackle the threats of a rising wage bill. Corruption is a threat to both levels of government. Let us work collectively to put in place control measures to monitor use of public funds for procurement and expenditure to be within the law. In conclusion, I wish to appreciate your continued support in jointly implementing the Affordable Housing Program and the Universal Health Care programs. I urge you to prioritize prevention health care to enhance quality. Once more, let us support the subsidized fertilizer program to enhance food production as one of the ways of reducing the cost of living. The President and I remain very committed to the success of devolution.
Achinga kia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza egenderetie no murubiri bubwagachi bw'ekinyumba aserigorirense asinsemo AMISI ya Kenya asentiremo yoko enekia bunango bwatukabare amabaga yemeremo bochiase abasaye nabo igosira asokoreta amagendero imeyense ya Kenya nigo obomo bwebyombe ebyo bitenenerete bitoetana ine byabeire biwesokya na otana no murubiri orachikoturubania amazingira imeyense ya Kenya
bakwana boigo nigo ababwatani bekeombe kyo banyareko bakogike enchira eserikali yenyareko bagigochakia omoroberio oyo ase abange b'Abakenya banyareko bagosiria chinsemo chiabo chobomenyi weterase ogotagorwa elio omoroberio bwagachi bw'ekinyombe chirigolirike onyareko bogwikirana.
We have this program that has been proposed for the housing development and to house those that may not have a place to live. However, with this large-scale infrastructure comes in the question, where are we putting up this infrastructure? For whom are we putting them up and for what reason? The needs assessment that we've talked about has not been conducted. We do not know where these resources are going to come from. There are people living in those environments already. They're conducting their daily livelihoods. They're taking care of their families. However, we want to put up huge infrastructural developments in these communities. Where are we taking these activities? Where are we moving these communities to? What is the impact on their lives?
For us, we felt that this was an opportune moment for the government to look at affordable houses that are sustainable.
Parks are in trouble if people become poorer. They'll hunt. Because they can't afford meat in the butchery, they'll go and hunt for zebra and hunt for gazelle, and therefore destroy our natural heritage. We're also saying that Kenya has been at the forefront of championing climate change mitigation and adaptation measures. You saw a few weeks ago, or a few months ago, the whole of Africa was here talking about climate change at the African Climate Change Summit. Then we also went and participated in the conference.
Nechinga kyobosaga ni bogenderete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya nigo mugavana bwe county ya Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi abirega kubwatuka ege kurege tindigo cha sabanto balia bagoso yabasaye asamangana yoyo bosagani
okwana chinga ki hanyarako bawikirana ase omoroberio bogosegeta abasayigore chinchira abaranyarako baba kwenyorera emeremo nigo boiganyarako bakoboria abaibuli kurwase county eyo banyarako bakwenekia besokire nagosira abana babo nakobaena na oburendi bwa bene senchira yuko batanga amono bosalia obo bagenda tokoba gwesonania litukaserinde
Abdullahi nigatere buna serikali nigebegete meroberio kiranu yoko enekia buna obosagani bwabere bwo ikomoerio.
Our youth not to be cheated, not to be hoodwinked with goodies that don't exist not to be radicalized into joining Al-Shabaab, into joining ISIS, into joining all manner of terrorist groups. The youth are being cheated that their job opportunities to go and fight in Russia, to go and fight in Syria, to go and fight in whichever places. We are asking parents to know where the children are. And those that are recruiting our youth and radicalizing them to join these groups, tutapambana na nyinyi. And we want to tell you that the government of Kenya is awake. Musifikirie munaweza ingia hapa, mrecruit watoto, mwapotoshe, and nothing happens to you. It will not be the case.
Asege kega tambe nigo abamenyi bekenyoro kya mailine yogotoka mailinane yogotoka ime county ya Laikipia babiri bawetera umuchando obugotanyora obokoreri obuya asensemo yobochenu.
Ikinakyo kirere obotenere bwe county ya Laikipia ise omugavana Joshua Irungu kubatana na mone company ya Kenya Pipeline ise yo moteneri oye Josang banyareko bagwesokya nagosyolia bene obochaki bwenyagitari asensemeyo asekerenga gyo kwene kiabuno bokoreri bwa betambe bobo chenu bwanyareko bogoikera ane nabamenyi bekenyore kyo kya maili 8.
APC, asanteni sana kwa sababu ni vita ambayo ilipiganwa ili tupate hii nafasi. Hawa watu wa KPC walikuwa wamesema kitambo watujengee. Banes ambaye alikuwa foundation manager amekuja hapa amechoka. Ile kitu ilikuwa inakosekana ni kitu moja tu, plan yetu ya Kalalo ya hospitali mjengo kuwa approved. Hiyo tu ndio ilikuwa inatuzuia.
Shukuru sana KPC kwa sababu out of their way, out of their other programs, their core mandate ya pipeline, wao wameonelea kwamba waweze kuleta ufadhili wa kutengeneza hospitali. Na kwa hivyo sisi kama watu wa county tumeshukuru sana kwa sababu kati ya zile dispensary tumetenga ya kwamba tutatengeneza au tutajengea watu wa Laikipia, tayari moja is off kwa sababu ya ile ufadhili. Kwa hivyo sisi kwetu kwa county mambo ya staffing na mambo
nasenga nayo goichania nigo abana babere baenekiwa gusiria amagima basumubasukano bw'umuriro oyo enekiwa ase ekinyoro kia Nyanduma ebunke ya Lari nakorengana ngina abana abo nigo abaisiekerete nyomba nakogenda ekanisa ekirabetega konyora esimi ko bwatkana n'ubasukano oyo bw'umuriro
magayo koirana nigo ngina abana abo hanyarete ko baga konyora abana abo banyareko bakoiya goikera ekerengo keriage tamanyiri asemebere yabo yanyareko bikurusiwa na guikigwa asengendo nonya nabo nigo bono obotuki banyareko bogochakwa bene kurwa asensemo yabanyimbo iliyo kwene kikirete umubasukano oyibo murero.
Kuna moto imeshika hapa na watoto walikuwa wameachwa na mama yao wawili wakiwa wamelala na moto ikashika na ikaweza kuwachoma wote wawili. Maafisa wa DCI waliweza kuja na polisi na pia majirani wakakuja wakajaribu kuokoa, lakini haingewezekana, mioyo yao tayari ilikuwa imeenda.
Roya the first born alikuwa na 3.5 years. Second born ni Miriam alikuwa na mwaka na mwezi mmoja. Hajajulikana maana hata stima mahali pa kuwasha ilikuwa juu isifikia. Kiberiti nilikuwa nimeweka huko juu kwa itara, hangefikia. Kiberiti sio chini, hiyo hapana. Hangewasha moto maana kiberiti ilikuwa juu, hangefikia. 2 rooms, hii room nyingine tunawashia moto, ingine wanalala.
Hasa kini ya moto haijatambulikana, lakini tunaona kama ni mtoto huyo kijana wa miaka 3.5, kama ndio pengine angekuwa akiwasha kando, kwa sababu siku zilizopita siku kama 3 hivi.
EVERLYNE twarorire abange kati abo ebiombe ebyo byokurwanira ebintu biri bitwetana nebigenda tukobigwesokia sobango twarorire chinga ne chinyumba cy'abantu abange chigutagurwa hasikari bagotaba serikali gotaba nigo bategeta ko bakwagacha chinyumba chiri kuririka.
Akorinde nyora ikigambiro nkyabake gotirenia umurubiri ujega asobateba unanigo ore maminja nerichiko
bange banyorera sara chiskuru chenyereko ba chigotagurwa chikanisa chinga abange banyareko bakorara isikasobokendu asikere bagoteba eserekana kihitoko ibori marago byabono senje ko ibori bali nine ikero gotagurirwa umenyo bwago watebunga nande mboche bwaga chubuya ubura chikoba gukogora ningana kero kene taragenda ko batokogwati
Mwancho muri ribono wikiraga igate toende asensemo ya kabiri studio iri tumunyore Victor Sultani Obangi atumenye munanara yaya twarire korwa EMANYIE chigosori
togendare toskare gwera natore asigika kitari gatambe
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii Kuikira bono ayabunu mwagachi kwa manyiri duka okogenda kujia ibintu byose biriyo gukorera imirimo yawo Osmo Traders Limited niko babwate chitari chokwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igokubeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo echikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna chising chibakuri chete cho chonsi showers towel holders soap dishes racks mirrors na hand basins chirangi chonsi chiria chikuburukanibwa ne computer nabo igo chiri spray paints no chire babwate chibord ubuna chips and boards MDF boards na chip boards ebinto au byo gukora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes, na chi water taps chonsi, no chire. Boigo, na bokugura chi cutting rods, hood screws, chingulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers, banyore, old Sansura building, angena Kisii main bus stage, gusua Kisimi, ase number, enotisano nebire, eye mokianda, inyeisano, enotinye, inyeisano nemo. Osmo Traders Limited. Customer satisfaction guaranteed.
Today is a wonderful moment for those of us who are graduating from kindergarten to primary.
Eliyo mwano abigati abali abake baranyole gisemi chibirengo bigoro muiri skuru ya Porters Haven Premium School ne skuru yege Kristo ibwate playgroup goika grade 6 nkuru barindagira ase skuru yo abali mu bayisaine na boigo babwate umanyi bwigoro ebirasi bibwate ribagarisaine na boigo bare asago ikereka banyore mwisho wa lami Nyatieko Road na boigo rosagiaronde ensemo ya Nyanchwa gusoba Kirisimi Porters Haven Premium School.
Eskuru ya St. Anne's College ni gotogo kwa bagari okumenta ebirengo byekisemi ase chikosi au ndobwate ekosi ya ICT ase krengo ya certificate na diploma na boigo computerized secretarial ndobwate chikosi chinde buna assistive technician video editing and sound production computer technician and programming web design egatie chinde ndobwate amaigerio yokobugia piano na boigo ebirasi bya computer asabana ba primary na secondary na boigo bali bakorire form 4 nigo togotoka ase chinsemo chikobwatia Kisii asamaga cha Uru Plaza egoroba ya gatatu angene benki ya Equity Nyamira asamaga cha Timi Building ange na juakali asepare kogenda yanchure Keroka asamaga cha Cooperative Bank egoroba entangani Ogembo wa Kenya pamoja sako egoroba entangani Suneka amagacho a Dennis Adwea ase esteji yechigari cha Migori Nyakoe ase chiro ya Nyakoe angene junction ya Marani Rigoma ase chiro ya Rigoma angena Vision Point sako Voigo branch ya Borabu ejuwe gotoka imemo choki jauri Eriyo kwerikia ni goganeirie result slip ya KCSE ekebande gose waiting card ebicha ye passport na boigo chilingi 500 chyo kwerikia St. Anne's College, a center for professional academic excellence.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii
chitariki 14 cia kera omutinyu kabere kero mwaka eri neri tukorio korokia obwanjani ochase bari twanjete, yani Valentine's Day.
I've got some boxes you can share with me. Wacha kuvisit ishi na me.
Intubu na Ndizi TV Valentine's yu mwakoyo nigo twerure korokia obwanjani boito ochasa bana ba Kiumbu Holiness Children's Home. Nabugusanga nainto kiriege ke oranyare ko bagugutwara asogo gikiase cyabise chite cyo gotuka kinsamo kiri cha embassy ekero kugenda nyakoe Gusii wa Kisii wetera sinamba enoti sana libere inye isato isana nemo ibere isato sana nesato isana libere ejen
teni tushare kila ambacho mko nacho, tunawakaribisha hata wale ambao ni wasamaria wema. Ukisikia kutoa kila ambacho uko nacho, mlango iko wazi, karibu sana na tunawakaribisha.
Boigo na bugwikirana neke wakiao kiwanchani unabone indagira chianga ibirarero ibitamba by'abocini by'abanyaruka ibikoroto igatie binde binge ime ya Kiumbu Holiness Children's Home chitariki 14 cy'umutinyu y'uko kabere umwaka w'ibiri 2024 eyo kubahorokia obwanchani abanabo. Ndizi TV, you are our Valentine.
Ndizi TV, obwansu bw'omugusi.
Weke mo mwanchu muliro Ndizi TV ngo kwaligania ase EMANYIE chigosori kwena kwa ngano gendete kwegokia ase merovelio yonsi ya Ndizi TV rete na Victor Sultano bangi EMANYIE chigosori twachake korwa se egetigia Kisii School abwase chi tournament ose tournament ya Kisii Open Tournament ya liganetiwe anene ekendie ase chigosori au chianyala teko ba chigosori wa ne chitimu au wesokia elio kweligeliri bagaligia ase kugendera gukinia chigosori asensemo ya basketball timu ya nyanchwa nigo yabaikolete abarigania Kisii School chiseti gose chi pointi emerongo enena isano na ibere ase emerongo enene yamo ase chi finali che tournament yo na koira egekombe ge tournament yo bagokwana maiga ya tournament yo nigo baterubuna chi tournament yo nchichi bakonya anene ase chigosori je school je secondary chio chira chigo chaka ase omwako yega ase ogokinia obumanyi bwabo nabo igo kwementa obumanyi ase chitimu ao bara chikomera na chiro chio anene ngamone timu yo ya Kisii School.
Hii iko na muhimu sana because it's a pre-season match. We are likely to meet again at the county and we play most likely a final with Kisii School. So nimetumia to prepare and see what is like to happen at the finals. Tupatia clue what is like to happen at the county finals. I choose the approach because Kisii School are also quite tactical and they are very intelligent kids. So if you are not tactical, they are going to beat you on their intelligence. So I said also to brains, especially on the tactical part of the game, and we're able to win that match. Our players are very tired. We started our championship on Sunday, while other teams started on Saturday. We played 3 matches back to back, and my boys, I want to congratulate them. Wakona pumzi, they played all the 3 matches consecutively and won. So imetupatia gas ya kwenda county and the regions and play 2 matches during a day. This time I have very tactical players and who take instructions. Last time I've been having players who take instructions but not very tactical. The kind of players I have this year, they are very tactical, so we expect a better nyanchwa at the regionals.
Voigo ase tournament yo ensemo ya volleyball timu ya Kisii gose KMTC Kisii ni goye rwandrete na kwenyolera ububwi bwabene ase chi final echo ase ya yibwete timu ya skuru ya Segegi Secondary chiseti sato ase rigere segero na koira ubenyankongo bwo tournament ya Kisii School Open Championship. Nchumurili yangu manyiwanga asinge nchoye bitango bitakunyara gutangeka nganchire litkulia lero nyekore EMANYIE JUMATATO asenchirabe